I left and I was totally kicking myself because I was wondering, will I get the links that they're gonna take out of here? Because I feel like that's fair, right? I paid for that amount of gold.
But I'll be on it always, always and ever.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am that girl that loves to talk about luxury and designer fashion, especially jewelry. And today I wanted to talk about if you want to get your Van Cleef bracelet resized. Is it a good idea? How does it work? Let's get into it. So as I unboxed with you guys earlier, I'll link it right here. I did unbox the Van Cleef Arpels Sweet Alhambra white gold with pavé diamonds. I actually ordered it online. Yes, if you just randomly check the website, there's a lot that's in stock. In fact, I've got both of my Van Cleef Arpels creations online. This piece and the gold guilloche single pendant. I may have just told you one of my best secrets. But anyway, because I did not buy it in boutique, I didn't try it on with anyone. I received it and put it on for the very first time in my apartment. And as I showed you guys in my video, I was double hooking it because I don't like a string of bracelet hanging down. That makes me nervous. And at first I was fine with it, but as time went on, I kept looking down at it and just really not loving that look for such an expensive bracelet. So I was thinking I wanted to get it resized. I made an appointment and went to the boutique. And yes, I would highly recommend making an appointment because I see videos online all the time of people feeling that they were treated in a very rude way, which I am not discounting at all. I can a million times see how that could happen. Just there's humans out there, some are good, some are not so good. But part of me has always wondered with designer stores if it's the fact that people aren't following the process, because designer stores often want you to book an appointment. That way they have a sales associate ready for you. And so if you just pop in, sometimes they're just not prepared for you. Maybe they're rushing you because they know that they had an appointment that's coming up, or really they're just short-staffed, things like that. So if you wanna have the best chance of having the best experience, I would recommend booking an appointment, even if it's for something as small as resizing.
Another way to look at it is like showing up to the dentist office without an appointment. Staff might be frazzled. They might be like, what are you here for? We weren't expecting you. I don't know if I can fit you in, quite frankly. Just another perspective, but I do definitely get that there's definitely some outlying and very sad situations. If you didn't know where the appointment link is, I did put it in the description.
So I showed up for my appointment and then they sat me down and they had a few sizers. She completely sized me. She said I was a 16 and I tried on the little sizing bracelet and I liked it. She explained that, when you buy a bracelet or a necklace, they all come with this double hoop. That way you always have two different lengths that you can wear it. And she explained that even though it would get resized, that double loop option must always remain there. Also, I wanted to explain that you have 6 months from the time of purchase to go get it resized for free. So make sure that you're taking advantage of that, test drive it, and before that 6 months is up, you know what your final answer is. I'm assuming you can always get it done, but then it might be a fee. And I think normally you would need your receipt, and I did have my receipt in my bag, but she asked me where I purchased it. I told her it was online, and then she went back, didn't ask for the receipt even though I said I had it. So either she trusted me once I said I had it in the bag, or maybe she went back and looked up my email or phone number or something and saw that, yes, I did purchase it myself. She told me that it would take 1 to 2 weeks, which she acted like was a very long time. She was saying it might take a hot minute because workshops are just opening up after the holidays. I said, whatever, girl, do your thing. Then I actually asked to see several pieces and she said they had 0 stock after the holidays. I left and I was totally kicking myself because I was wondering, will I get the links that they're gonna take out of here? Because I feel like that's fair, right? I paid for that amount of gold. But honestly, I got too nervous to ask, but it was kind of bugging me because I was like, what if they only give it to you if you ask? But then I was also like, is it for free? Because they're really just taking that gold back and they're not gonna give it to you. So I just sat with that for a while. And I had kind of prepared myself to be a little mad. But anywho, I think it was like 1.5 weeks. I got a text that said that my bracelet was ready. I set another appointment just to go pick it up. I went and I got the bracelet handed right to me. I decided to wear it out, but then even though I wore it out and I didn't really take any of their time, they gave me a little bag of goodies. So I wanted to unbox it for you. Okay, So I got a little bag, and then I got a travel pouch, which because I've made 2 online purchases, I don't have one of these. So I was very, very thankful. And he even made the comment of like, I saw that you purchased this at another boutique, and I was like, yeah, it was online. And he goes, oh, then let me get you a travel pouch. So appreciated. But it is kind of funny because my bracelet is super tiny. I'll put it in here in a second, but I'm not even sure that it fits. And then he also gave me some chocolates. He was like, and I put some Van Cleef chocolates in there, and I was like, ooh. But I didn't really know what was so famous about these Van Cleef chocolates, but I figured we would open it up and taste it together. But before we do that, I wanted to open up the pouch with you. It does have that beautiful Van Cleef and Arpels. I'll do a close-up. Then you also can take this out. So you open it up, gorge, looks like this with that flat piece in. You take that out, and then this part has 2 flaps, you can separate, and then you slide your piece in. So let me take my bracelet off and we can put it in here. This is what the size 16 looks like on me, just a little bit hanging off. And again, they still have the 2 loops here. And even though it is smaller, I can totally put it on by myself. I did for this video, in fact. Okay, so here is my teeny tiny bracelet. Oh, actually, I stand corrected. It will totally fit in here. So you will slide it in, and then you'll slide the other side in as well. Perfect. And then you put her in here. Voila. But before I try the chocolates, there was in fact the links in the bag, which I was so happy about. I don't really know why I'm happy about it. I guess just that I don't feel duped because it's not like it's enough to sell or reuse or anything like that. But I do think it's nice, but at the same time, I shouldn't even think it's nice. It's like, yeah, I paid for it. Here are the chocolates. You lift it up. It's got a little card that tells you what it is. So there's an elderflower and elderberry ganache dark chocolate. And there's a vanilla and orange blossom praline milk chocolate. Now, I already am excited because I love elderberry. I'm one of those weirdos that loves the flowery, like lavender, elderberry flavors. And then I love chocolate and orange together as well. However, I am allergic to tree nuts, so I'm really not supposed to eat the orange blossom one, but I might give it a little nibble. Ooh. Let's do the dark chocolate elderberry. Cheers. Very good. Mostly tasting the dark chocolate. A little hint of some floral. The vanilla orange blossom milk chocolate. I'm just gonna get a nibble so I don't die. Ooh. I taste the hazelnut. Do I dare finish it? I think it's small enough, right? Not getting a lot of orange in there, but thank you, Van Cleef. All right, and I'm going to love you and leave you here. Just want to give you a little insight. Let me know if this video was helpful at all. Ta-ta for now.